This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Catos. Spacious one-owner home in one of Jones Valley's hottest locations. 5713 Criner is a fabulous 6-bedroom home with formal library, expansive living room, family room and playroom. Floorplan easily accommodates many people. Raised brick hearth, screened porch, and workshop. Remodeled master bath with heated tile floor. Patio across the entire back side of the home. Main level garage opens right into kitchen. Sunny breakfast room with bay window overlooking peaceful backyard. 2 screened porches. Termite Bond, Orkin, HVAC 2018 and 2011. Roof approx 9 years old. Radon mitigation system 2021. New upstairs carpet 2020. Central vac 2015. For more information,